Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels video. So first of all, open Instagram account. First select a Reels, click on to Reels icon. Now I'm selecting this Reels, tap on here. Copy link and go back. Go to Google search bar. Type here to Instagram video downloader. After that, select the first option and just paste here to link. Click on download. Scroll down. Download video. Okay, now successfully download this video. Now I'm checking my gallery. Okay, now successfully download Instagram Reels video. So if in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.